Hello and welcome to my jewelry land. I am Maral and I want to show you all the rings with different green gems and zirconia crystals that I collected from different designers and countries. Actually, these are in different sizes and I have only one of them because I just take one each design when I feel attached to it wherever I go. And actually some of them are adjustable, like these two. You will see more in details, so it will fit every size finger. And here you can open and tighten it a bit. These are gold plated silver Indian design with jade and green onyx. Here all of these minimal rings with zirconia crystal in green color and green onyx in oval shape and round shape. They are very minimal. These are Danish and I got them from a Danish designer. These are my best seller in my shop and my customers are very happy with this design. You know, in Norway people are very minimal in whole Scandinavia, so this is a Danish design and Norwegian. They are very happy with this. You can even combine. I have in different colors as well, but here today I just show you the green color. And so this is in a round shape. If you want to give gift to your loved one that is one of a kind, you can have it every day. Very delicate, very elegant ring, highly recommended. Then we have these two delicate rings with zirconia crystal. One is thicker and one is very minimal and tiny. These are from Paris. When I was in Paris, I got them from a designer in different color. And here we go, we get the green one. And we have these two vintage style that I got them in Barcelona in a flea market. And these are very beautiful green onyx, gold plated silver. If you love vintage style, this is one of a kind. I am in love, I am obsessed with these two delicate special design. These are more exclusive, from Tibet, handmade, and I got them of course in Paris from a designer who was from Tibet. And this one is basically men size, but if you have a little bit fat finger, that will suit you. It's very big for me. And this one I got in Prague. This is also green onyx, and look at the detail. I love the shape of the frame. So that was all for today. If you are a green gem lover, comment below so many green hearts for me, and see you next time with a new collection.